KB from Farmo. So today video I will show you how to replace your battery for your water level monitor. So this is our product. This is the water level monitor from Farmo. So to open this one, you need to screw on the holes here. Yep, to open it. Yep. And then later just take out one of the screw and put it on the sides. And see when you open it, this is the inside of the water level monitors. So to replace the battery for this one, so try to mark on the old one. Yep. And then just cut the zip type. Yep. And just get rid of the old one. And this is the cable you plug in the water monitor, the motherboard. So just unplug it and put the old one on the sides. And then and then just put the new battery in the same position as the old one, and then just try to plug it in. Yep, and when you plug it in, you will see the LED flash on, and then use another zip type, put it in a hole under the battery. And just get rid of this one. Yeah, yeah. It's almost finished the step to replace your battery. So just put the cover back and then put on the screw the back positions. Yep. And this is the end of the video to show you how to replace your battery for your water level monitor from Farmo. And thank you so much for watching.